Axle, axial, axiomatic. All right. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to install the front axle onto my SCX10ii, and I'm also going to replace this driver's head, which will take me about 2 seconds. I'm going to replace that white head with the AX31049 black helmet set. Okay, so I got the helmet all set up, got the stickers on it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Okay, so I think that looks a lot better in my opinion, so I'm very happy with that cheap upgrade. So now it's time to get into the axles. Now what I would like to do is take off the original axle and use all the same internals that came with the original. Not sure if it's going to work, but I'm hoping it does, and that's my plan. If I have to buy anything extra, then I'll go as far as I can go and have to shoot another day. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these wheels off. So the front wheels are off. I'm going to go ahead and start taking off the links. Start taking off the shocks, everything that's holding this axle in place. This way I can get the axle removed from the chassis. So the axle's off. I'm going to go ahead and remove the drive shaft. Alright, drive shaft's off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off the ends, get this thing opened up, and start pulling everything out. And then I'll be back. Okay, so everything's out of the original axle. I'm going to go ahead and start the process of putting this into the new axle. Hopefully everything lines up and fits. We'll see how it goes. But before I do anything, it's time for a turkey sandwich. I went big time today. Turkey, ham, cheese, and some tomatoes from my garden. Alright, back to work. Okay, so I have everything laid out. I'm going to go ahead and get all this put together for step one. A couple bearings into the casing, the gears. Alright, so step one is done. Moving on to step two. And step two is just putting on the M3x5 12mm screws, and I'm going to use thread lock because I'm putting the screws into aluminum. Okay, so I have everything assembled in there. I went ahead and used some grease just to put a new fresh coat of grease on the gears, and now I'm ready to screw this all into the axle. Okay, so 4 screws holds everything in, and this is together. I'm going to go ahead and start on the steering knuckles. And step 4 is just sliding in the shafts. And the shafts are in, everything's spinning real good, nice and smooth. Gonna go ahead and put on the steering knuckles. And to get these on, just gonna put the bearings into this. I'll slide this together. Now the shoulder screws do not come with the axles, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and use the screws that were originally with the kit, with the axle. So I'll put a little thread lock on that and get these put on. Alright, so on the ends here, what I'm gonna have to do is put on these little collars, and they'll just fit onto the end. I'm going to make sure that they stay true and squared up. So take my time with them, but want to make sure that they're in place. Alright, so everything's in. Definitely don't want to over tighten those screws, because you want to make sure that this thing goes nice and free. And I'll just move on to the other side. It also helps when you install the right knuckle on the right side. Okay, so all that's assembled. I'm going to go ahead and put on these brackets up top. This is for the hold the steering and everything in place. And from the VS410 kit, these little screws here are 1/16. So I'll have to get out my 1/16 driver. Okay, so everything is together. What I'm going to do is actually cheat and use my VS410 instruction manual, because the setup is going to be pretty much the same. So this just ensures that I don't miss anything or hook something up wrong. I'm going to just use the instructions here to get it all together. First things first though, I'm going to get the drive shaft back on. And I'm going to put the hubs back on to the new axle. And I went ahead and got the steering link hooked up, used as a spacer. Screw goes through the spacer, through the steering link, use a little thread lock, everything goes in. Okay, and I got the drag link and the steering hooked up. Now I'm going to put on the shocks. Okay guys, so all the links are hooked back up. Everything is screwed down, everything is nice and tight. Shocks are on. So this thing is looking pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the wheels on, and that should wrap up the front. Okay, so the tires are back on. Last thing to do, just got to test it all out. I'll hook up a battery and we'll see if the wheels turn. Alright, so got steering. And we got motion. Alright, so everything seems to be working good. Alright guys, so that's about it for this one. Hopefully I can get the back done soon and get that posted as well. But if you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Take care for now.